ride with Minaj. Mashallah, check in with me. Pin to your job. Queen is the name. Raphaello did the chain. This is Monse. Patty plain Jane.
Get your act together. We could be just fine. I'll tell you what I want, what I really, really want. So tell me what you want, what you really, really want. I wanna.
Hey dolls, welcome back to another video. So ladies and first I made a video of me receiving this hair and bleaching the hair and coloring it, etc. So if you haven't seen that video, please click the link in the description box below. That is the video before this one, okay? You want to see how to get this gorgeous like peacock kind of Spice Girl unicorn. I don't even know. I received this hair from Sam's Beauty and I got the Bare and Natural 100% virgin Remy bundles, okay? So guys, I left I didn't throw away the packaging. This how the packaging is. I showed the packaging in the first video, but this how the packaging is. So it's a lace frontal and bundle though. So what you get is you get a lace frontal, you get a 13 by 4.5 frontal. So this is the frontal I have on, and then I got 3 bundles, a 16-inch, an 18-inch, and a 20-inch. This hair claims to be double wefted, and that is 100% true because this hair does come with some thick bundles. It comes with 3 bundles, but I actually ended up using about like almost 2. Yeah, I used like almost 2 bundles or 3.5. I'm not sure, but I still like have a whole bundle left over. Like this hair is thick, it is not thin at all, honey. The lace for the frontal is soft Swiss lace, and the lace is not hard at all, ladies. It's a nice soft lace. I didn't bleach the knots on the lace frontal at all. I'm gonna tell y'all the truth. I ain't have no bleach. I ain't have no bleach left over to bleach the knots. That's why I didn't bleach it. But honestly, you do not need to bleach the knots on this frontal. It is natural as it is. Now, I did not make a video of me styling this wig. I'm sorry, guys. You know,
honey boo boo, it's just, you know, you get lazy sometimes, you know.
I don't have a wig cap or nothing under here, so I just put the wig on and I put some foundation in the parting area as well as on the sides, and I just cut some baby hair. Let me zoom in for you guys. The frontal is ear to ear. However, I didn't like, I laid down the front of the frontal, but I didn't lay down the edges. So you see my edges peeking through. I didn't lay down the sides because honestly, I'm not even going nowhere, to be honest. Like, I'm gonna be honest with you, it fits my head perfectly. I don't have to cut ear tabs or anything. I actually have a color chart. Let me show you guys. So this is the color chart. So as you see, if you use 20 developer, you get that like chestnut brown, and then if you use 30 developer, you get like a golden honey brown, and use 40 developer, you get that golden blonde. So I actually used a 50 developer because I wanted to lift this hair to the gods. Okay, I wanted to lift this hair to the
Almighty Lord of Heaven.
And let me tell you guys, as you see in the video, that hair is still doing good. It was good. Listen, I was nervous. Since this hair is more inexpensive side, I was like, oh my god, I hope I don't mess up this hair. Oh my god, this better work. But the 50 developer works so well, guys. It took the bleach well, it took the color well. This hair still had bounce in it. Look at this. Look at the bounce. You would have thought this is like some Indian, Malaysian weave from across the ocean. No, honey. This is Bare and Natural frontal and bundles, and it is popping. I made a wig with this hair, guys, and listen. I know you're gonna be like, oh my god, make a video. I'm gonna be making a video of how to make a lace frontal wig. I might do a closure wig first, but no, we're gonna try something hard. We're gonna do a lace frontal wig tutorial, so I got y'all. After I bleached the hair and colored it, I did not get any shedding, or you know, the hair wasn't breaking off. I did not get any of that. I mean, this hair took the bleach like a dream. This hair is so good, guys. Like, it's so healthy. I didn't put anything in this hair whatsoever to make it shiny or you know, make it more popping. I did not do that. All I did was put conditioner. If you're gonna be using Adore rinse, be mindful that you shampoo the hair, the color will come out. So that's why I used conditioner when I was rinsing out this color. As far as tangling, shedding, I haven't got any at all. Let me tell you, honey, listen, this hair is inexpensive. I put 50 developer bleach on this hair, colored it and lifted it to the guards, and it's still looking good. The luster is still good. Listen, it's $500 hair. Once you put bleach or anything to it, it loses its luster, it loses its body, it loses everything. Guys, when I tell you about the price for this hair, you're gonna gag. Like, hair is 80 bucks, okay? $80 for a frontal and bundles. So guys, for lengths 10, 12, or 14 is $80, and it goes $80 up to $130. Lengths I have is 16, 18, and 20, of course, as I stated earlier in the video, and that is $130. Listen, that is still a bargain, okay, honey? For, you know, frontals and bundles out here is like $200, $300 and up. And God,
Sorry for that. We trying to save Asha coin.
I did cut the hair, particular style I was doing. I wanted the hair to be a little bit shorter, guys. So let me tell you guys about shipping. It's fast. The communication is great, okay? I had to worry about your order taking forever. Because Sam's Beauty have great customer service and the shipping is top notch. Show you guys how much parting space I get. Of course, there's a frontal, so you know I get parting all around to the ears, but the parting stops right about up to here before the track starts showing. I think that is great amount of parting. Some frontals have more parting space than that, but this parting is so natural. You know, guys, always be like, what tea am I giving y'all? Like, what tea? I think I'm giving y'all OMG girls tea. Like, I feel like an OMG girl. Like, I'm not even gonna hold you. I feel like an OMG girl. I feel like Beja from the OMG girls. Oh my god, when I was younger, I wanted to be like her. I'm Beja. I'm giving y'all Beja vibe. Bringing back the OMG girls. Ooh. Let me tell you guys the hairstyle kind of did. I just like twisted the hair back. I didn't, you know, I was not neat with it, you know. This was like an effortless kind of playful look. So I just twisted the hair back, Barbie pin it in the back. Guys, this is really much it about this hair. Gorgeous, alright? It's not much to say, but just the, oh, honey, do you gotta, oh, like, come on now. To gel down my baby hairs, I just used some Got To Be Glue gel, of course. Now, guys, this pretty much sums up the video. Make sure you guys watch my first video of me bleaching this hair, coloring it. Check out Sam's Beauty. Get this frontal in this bundle, girl. Get this frontal in this bundle. Get this frontal in this bundle. Get your frontal slayed. You know, you can give me a call. I'll slay it for you. You know, for just a small fee, I'll slay your frontal, okay? I'll slay it for you. The link to this hair will be in the description box below, as well as the coloring video will be in the description box below. So go down the description box now and, you know, click on them links after you watch this video, okay? Thank you, babies, again for watching. Make sure you check out Anna Luxurious Wigs. You already know what you're gonna say there. And guess what? So this wig will be on my website, guys. The wig will come custom colored for you. The frontal will come slayed and everything, girl. Okay. Thank you for 3K subscribers. You know, we just moving on up. I remember like it was yesterday. I had 2K. Now I got 3K. Ow! But thank you again for 3K subscriber, guys. I love all the love. I love all of you. You guys are the best. If you like, comment, subscribe. And also, if you haven't, participate in my wig giveaway. I'm doing a Valentine's Day wig giveaway for 2 wigs. So make sure you check that out. That'll be in the link in the description box also. Thank you so much for watching. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye.